What's up, GI babies? So we're jumping straight into this install with Yolissa Hair. All the information for this unit will be down below, but let's just get into this color first. This color is pre-colored, so I didn't do this color. It already came like this, and only thing I did was bleach the knots. I rarely pluck this unit because I just didn't have time to pluck it, because around this time I was getting my sister ready for prom and I still need to do my hair, but I was kind of like rushing it. So the first day I did straighten it, like you guys are gonna know like towards the end of the video, but I did do some bomb curls on this, so let's just stay tuned for that. And also, if you guys want to see more videos of me, you guys can look up my TikTok at TymarrahGi, and I have lots more different videos on there too, but we're just doing something different. Y'all know normally I do sections for my lace glue, and I just did it all around. It hasn't been, well, I know my last install with the blue hair I did do it all around the perimeter with the glue, but I would suggest just doing it in sections, because on this one I kind of did put a little bit more glue where it was supposed to be, but it wasn't nothing too bad. But just for future references, I would suggest, especially my beginner babies, I would suggest that you just do it in sections and not like this, so that you won't risk having glue on places where you don't need it. Because once the lace gets on the glue, and it's parts of the lace where it's just no hair and it's just lace, when you try to pull it up, it's the glue is already gonna be adhered, so it's just gonna look so bad, and you're gonna have to keep scrubbing, and then that messes with how the lace looks and how it melts. So just do your sections. So I did just take this lace off with a razor, but y'all, when I was cutting the lace off, I was totally out of the camera. Like, you couldn't even see me. I was so upset that I did that, y'all. But it's just any other regular, just I didn't do anything differently from cutting. I literally just cut it off with a razor. Nothing too tedious, just cutting it right off. But right here, I'm taking my Even New York lace spray and just spraying that on some of the areas, and then I will be laying that down for a second time. I didn't do my baby hairs on camera because I just did some quick baby hairs real quick. So I did go in depth kind of with the curls, just to apologize for these mishaps. But right here, what I'm doing is just getting that lace down a little bit more. I took the other side of a tweezer just to kind of put that down more. I feel like the lace did blend fairly good, but it was like a little dark. But when I put my makeup on there, it blended. And the only thing I would say that I feel like was a mess up on my part was when I bleached the knots. I think I let it sit on there a little bit too long, and I didn't have, like, you know, normally when you're using a black unit, you could go back with an eyeliner or something to correct, or like you can go back with your hair dye to correct the over bleached knots. And since this was like a dark brown, I didn't have any dark brown dye or anything, so I just had to work with what I had. And so you can see some parts was kind of light brown, like a little blondish a little bit, but the hair is blonde, so I really wasn't tripping about it. But that's something I feel like I could have did better. So if you're bleaching this unit, I would say leave the bleach on for about 20 to 15 minutes, and that's all you would need to do. So now we're jumping straight into these curls. So I always love some good curls, and with bomb curls always comes layering. So I would suggest that you guys layer your hair before you curl it. Of course, if you don't layer it, the curls are still gonna come out cute, because curls are cute regardless, but they're just gonna give you that look that you want if you layer it. And no, layering is not taking the length from the hair, it's just layering the parts so that it can look more voluminous. So as you guys can see, I am cutting parts of the hair, but when I'm done, you guys are going to see that the length of the hair did not change. It just has a little bit more volume to it. So y'all seen that little shake I did. But I'm taking my Sebastian's holding spray, and I'm just spraying this all around my head. I found this holding spray, I think, at Marshall's. Don't be so quick to go to like Sally's and stuff to get these products. Make sure you guys hit Marshalls and Ross first, because they most likely have the products in for cheap. So that's just a little tip. That was kind of off topic, but that was just a little tip so you can save your coin. But I am going through with this T3 curler that my boyfriend got me because he's the best. So your girl did not have to pay for it. But I'm going in with my T3 curler, and I'm just curling my hair. And only tips I would have for curling your hair is, like I said before, I sprayed my holding spray all over my hair first, and then between sections of me curling, you guys are going to see me spraying my holding spray on there too. And then one last tip that I would say for the curling in particular is just curl away from your face on both sides, and your curls will give you the look that you want. So now you guys can see I'm just taking those clips out, and I do like to clip those sections just so those can really stay intact. But I go in with like a wider tooth comb and I brush out those curls, especially with the bang. And this, I just love this part because I love when the curls come up and they just look so freaking cute. But get into these curls. These are legit bombshell curls. Okay guys, so this is the end result for this hair. I really love the way this came out. At first I wore it straight the first day, but I was really gunning on doing some curls. Like, hold on, I was really set on doing some curls because I knew the curls was gonna look so cute. This is one of the wigs that I'll probably put on again. Most of the wigs that are like highlighted and stuff, it's not highlighted to this degree. Like, and the colors and stuff is just so cute. All I did was bleach the knots a little bit, and then I plucked the lace just a little bit. I didn't even pluck the lace a lot on here because I just didn't have the time to do it when I was doing my hair. I didn't have the time to pluck. So, but as you guys can see, just with minimal plucking, it still looks really cute. And these curls came out so cute. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. I have like a little curl tutor on there as well, but it is so cute. If you guys want all the details on this unit, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. Gi babies, we out.